that? Maybe not. Crazy. No? I thought maybe there would have been another one. Anybody want a pepper? It's gone now. Crazy. Look for the paint. The paint. There should be paint every time there's one. So the catch basins are always painted. So there should be paint or like some paint on the side. So if you didn't see any more paint, then there is no more. No? Yeah, so every time. Oh. Yeah, they'll always mark them, right? There you go. See the paint here? Somebody's in a hurry. Gotta get to work. I got fucking woken up at 4 o'clock to go to a flood apartment building. Fucking flooded out. I think the sanitary drain and the storm drain is all connected. Okay. And it just fucking like geysered out of the toilet. Cool. It's every day for me, so. Actually, you guys there was fire truck there. Alright guys, I'm leaving it up to you.
You're leaving, we're leaving. There's no fun.
Ah, I'll stay. I'll watch this. I like making videos of the whirlpools, but it's like fucking, you're helping people out. It's like, I was on my way back to Hamilton. I'm like, I just seen it. And it's like, alright, might as well help out. Good suction.
Good suction.
There you go. Everyone likes the suction.
Every man likes that. I get the words out of my mouth.
It's too early for those jokes, hey?
No, it's never too early. Never 24/7 with that guy.
What's that? 24/7? You got to be able to smile, right?
That's it.
People take shit too serious nowadays. It's always good when you can see somebody actually having fun. So were you guys just out on a call, or?
We're coming back with a fan from MBC.
What's that?
Someone said there's MBC and there wasn't one.
Oh, I see, I see.
5 to 6 cups.
Really, eh? It's Canada. They're not going to make it too far. Oh, that's where that went.
Oh, that's a great pry tool.
What was that, a clip tool?
Ah. Put that in your pocket.
Anybody who drives a Tesla is looking for fuel cover?
Well, they shouldn't be admitting it. A brick. Is that going to be your main task today? Just up and down trying to clear out these?
No, I was just at another job, an emergency. I got called out at 4, and then I was just on my way home, and I was passing here, seeing all the fucking splash. I'm like, what the fuck? And then I looked back, and
you're a good man. No.
I try. Am I doing it selfishly a little bit to make the video? Yes, but it's also to help out, right? where I just came from. You guys were there, broke down the door. No one was home. The fucking unit was flooded. Yeah. So I pulled the toilet. Fucking all the water came out. Snake the drain. Baby wipes. They're huge problem.
I wasn't sure they are.
Yeah.
And then they advertise flushable on some of them, right?
That's it. But it's a
Some of them are.
it's a selling feature. So they all technically are. They'll flush.
Oh, they will.
Now, do they break down, right? Exactly. So there's a brand, Cottonelle.
Okay.
They technically do break down.
Give it enough time.
Takes a lot of time, yeah.
The problem is people use about 3 or 4 of them at a time.
Yeah.
Right? So if you got any.
That's it. And they just stick to the pipe, the cast iron pipe. You just stick to it, then it floods out. Yeah. But it's a good selling feature for the companies that make them, right?
Yeah.
Flushable. You can buy kitty litter that says flushable. Turns to cement. Right?
Yeah, exactly. Come back and buy one, bring it up there.
Well, we've done our good deed for the day. All right, guys. I'm out of here. I'm going home to bed. Take it easy. Take it easy, guys.
Good day.
Have a great day, all right? Cheers. All right, that was pretty cool. Firemen helped me out by helping other people out. Pretty cool. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments down below. Until next time, this has been Jay That Drain Guy signing out. Dragna.